Hi guys, I just bought a headset with a microphone from Shopee for 650 pesos, and it just arrived today. So let's get unboxing. It says here the model number is H151 stereo headset. Works with common calling applications across almost all platforms and operating systems. And down here it supports Windows, Mac, Chrome, iOS, and Android. And here are the features. Just the volume or mute your calls with simple inline control. So it has this remote right here. Enjoy a full stereo sound. Forget about background noise with this noise cancelling mic. Wear the mic on your left or right side with ease. So that's what you need. Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista. I'm pretty sure it will support Windows 10, Chrome OS, Mac, Linux, iOS or Android, and a single 3.5mm jack. So if you will be using, or if you have a PC with different jack for the mic and the headset, you will be needing a splitter to make this work. Good thing my laptop only has one shared jack for both mic and headset. So right there. So let's open the box. Have this very basic headset. It's not a gaming headset though, more on for productivity uses. The headset itself is made out of plastic. As you can see, you can swivel the mic up and down. You can put it either on your left or on your right side. Can adjust the headband depending on the size of your head, and a good thing that the earpiece is actually movable. It's swivels, so it can follow the shape or the contour of your ears. And it's pretty soft actually. You'll not be having a hard time wearing this on your ears, and it's pretty light. So you have the remote right here, the inline controls. You have your mute controls, your volume control here, and the clip. You can clip it on your chest. And your 3.5mm jack. By the way, it doesn't include any wind or pop filter for the microphone, so if you want, you can get one, but it's a noise cancelling mic either way, so I think you won't be needing it anymore. Most of the time this mic will be on the side of your mouth, so I guess we won't need it anyway. So there you have it, the Logitech H151 noise cancelling microphone headset. So this is the mic test for the Logitech H151. The sound you're hearing right now is straight from the microphone itself, as you can hear. So To give you a clear picture of the noise cancelling feature of this microphone, I'm gonna unplug this headset and we'll be speaking through the onboard microphone of the laptop. Okay, now you're listening straight from the laptop itself, and to give you a clear picture of the noise cancelling feature of this mic, I will now turn on my TV on high volume. And now you can hear
athletic, quick.
me from the laptop with the background noise. I don't know if you can hear it clearly, but
Nickname is the Spider.
speaking through
Look like the Spider
onboard
right there.
mic,
You understand why? It's a deflection.
I will now plug
And
this
here come the
microphone
Jazz again.
to
Rubio
my
will step
laptop,
inside the line, and this is
so you
goes
can
wide open.
differentiate
Gobert keeps it
the
alive.
noise
Cephalosha.
cancelling feature. Okay, now so you're listening straight from the mic, and I'm pretty sure you can hear the difference on the noise isolation or noise cancelling feature, and sound is not that rich. No, you can't expect any deep bass or rich sound, but you can make adjustments through softwares like this one. You can get this voice meter banana online for free. So right now you're hearing me from the headset through this voice meter banana app. So you can download this for free. You can play around with your sound quality. For example, you can adjust the bass, the echo right here, and adjust it to your midtones, your bass. So you can play around like this one. This one is set all the way down to the lowest bass. My setup usually would be right somewhere right here, although there. Okay, so sound check. This is the test mic for the Logitech H151 plugged into the laptop through the voice meter banana app. Well, overall for your day-to-day use or YouTube or video watching, it gets the job done, and for its price you can expect any great sounding device. But the main feature of this is this microphone right here, the noise cancelling feature, good for video chat, for online jobs, online teaching, so more on productivity. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.